All right, Petal and Munchie, been how much time? Petal, Munchie.
Yes.
First and foremost, the program announced at the ending that we collected $450,000 in commitment and cash.
So how much you getting in cash? How much you getting? You can't collect.
I didn't collect. Hold on, Munchie, hold on.
You cannot collect.
Jesus Christ, Munchie, I did not collect the cash.
You cannot collect.
Hold on, Munchie. If you call, you have to just hold on, man.
No,
I did not collect the cash. But I did not collect the cash, Munchie. I did not collect the cash. I don't know. Sydney collect all the money. Everything go to Sydney account.
No, the night when you announced the money, how many cash did you physically
Okay, all right. Based on what I estimated that Sydney collected, we were at about maybe 150, 200,000.
Physical cash.
Yes, cash. That's what Sydney would have collected, not vice of the nation.
So you don't collect no money in your hand?
No.
So the $2,000 when they see you get, you don't allow them to tell?
No. Let me tell you where that came from. You see the commitments?
Yes.
People would have text me and say, we're getting this, we're getting that. But Sydney, after Sydney collect everything, everybody was calling me and texting me, should I give you the money, Vice? I said, no, get to Sydney. So this gentleman reached out to me and said, hey, I want to give Sydney $2,000. But after they went and blast up the whole thing, knowing their intentions, everybody started to pull out.
What is the intention?
So first thing first, the program name for the Pan Show of Abala. Second, me talk to Uno, so me know a friend, me don't labor right. Third, the program manager want to move off of the program, go over Bala, me not stop him. And
what about program manager?
Who was you? Who you know me always a parrot?
The one where you have a cost me in a box.
Alvaro.
So through me not do what them want.
Alvaro?
Yes. So through me not do what them want. Our Excellence one Bala program money friend them, and them a call me for shut down for me program for allow Bala because half them run them way, and them just turn around everything.
All right. So I have a question for you. How did Sydney collect the money the night?
Directly to his bank account.
Okay.
It was on the screen. Advice of the Nation have no control. All who was there. Sydney collected all the money, and I don't even know how much money Sydney really collected.
Okay.
It is like no. So what they wanted is this.
Why, but you can't have money problem doing a vice of the nation.
Hear what happened now?
Me tell you, if you left it alone, you don't call me.
Munchie, hear what going on? To be honest. But Munchie, me never left it, but believe me, Munchie, to be honest, the reason why me carry it through, you see, is the fact that the man needed help. And all they did, the only person who is now a victim is Sydney. Because what me do? Me block everybody, delete everybody, and tell Sydney to figure it out.
You come, so you're done with the PNP, but me tell you left the PNP.
No. Me done with those ones. Madam Speaker, I still support the People's National Party, but we done with those ones.
But the blogger them done with you.
No, I don't care because first thing first, Vice of the Nation wasn't created by any blogger or the party. I did it myself.
And with your platform, I got dead because they must support you.
Well, guess what now, Munchie? You see, when I came to the platform, remember say Vice of the Nation, I come from 0 viewers and 0 people, you know. I've gone through all the brutality. So whether or not they want to support me, I don't care. I will still do what I have to do. I don't collect a dollar. Simply collect all the money. But everybody did know. You know how we did know that? Most Labour rights were in the For You page listening too. And most people inbox me and say, Jesus Christ, what a wickedness. Some call him serpent, I don't care. But the truth is, everybody was there. Sydney collect all the money. Vice didn't take a dollar.
Well, let me tell you something now. Thank you for coming over come clear. But tell you something to be fair. We're not really sorry for you over here, because...
Me know why you're sorry for me. It's just that me know my name did pop up and everybody I say, come clear your name.
From day one, never like you. They say you're not paying. They say you're dirty.
Anyway, we don't need a discussion on it. Whether I believe
but all I'm have to do is who giving money needs to show proof so they give money.
But here we go on the petal. Guess what now? No, miss. Here we go on the petal.
Me believe that if you say not collect the money, but if you collect money down that it come out by now and show proof so then give money. If it
nobody send any money to me.
So then send the money.
But Petal, remember say Vice of the Nation really know if you do things, because look for no man money when
no, Madam Speaker, when you ever do that now, Madam Speaker, we didn't go do that now. It don't make no sense to talk to me like that because
All right, fine.
you don't do that.
Somebody could do no blow.
No, you
better
cannot.
do that.
Madam Speaker, first and foremost, Madam Speaker, with due respect,
All right.
if with due respect, one of the reasons why they hate me so much is because me conversate with all of you. They don't like that. So that was one of the things they wanted me to do, stop talk to you. But nobody can tell me to do that. My program was built on that. So, because of that now, they can't control me. They not give ball no forward and them and ball and all of them not one piece of thing. I don't care. Nobody not pay me for company internet. Me not own nobody nothing. So whatever gossip they want.
I went to Sydney. Eye surgery?
Yeah, remember, it was on the Cuban program for getting eye scrape. And you know, so the program cancelled. So him, like many other Jamaicans, would have got knocked off. So, because him is a regular contributor to the program, I did that.
The whole time spending there, I make problem with people and I want
No, bother with that because enough Jamaicans. Madam Speaker?
I'm not really busy in a PNP business, but so why Bala and Daniel never turn off for the live and go beg money for
So hold on now. We did not try to tell everybody if you do it, you know, but here what the problem. Vice take it up and Vice adult labor right and me and a friend and Ray. So the whole intention was to come dab me up again, but I didn't care because I one thing me tell the people in the night. Nobody sent no money to give Vice of the nation. Many people were there. In the morning, then text me, Vice. Cause my phone number was up there. Who send me money?
Labor rights, who did I listen? On the things Vice collect no money.
Better, may I go back to work. You hear? Have a good day.
You have a job, no Vice. All right.
Eh?
After the
No,
program,
me always have
back.
a job in there. Just the time when me allotment. So in the evening, me do my program.
All right. Later.
Happy.
So
Where you say, Peter?
Vice, laborers and say, then things say you collect. Some people say yes, some people say no.
So here why they believe that, Petal. So when the program manager came up on one platform, he asked a question.
That's what.
Hold on up, something nice, man. When he came up, he said,
procedure. That's what.
Miss, me not talking, we don't know, because you see me not really talk to people.
Hold
like
on
that.
there, hold on, let me say. Let me
Look
say.
here,
Hold on, Petal.
Vice.
So, Madam
Hold
Speaker,
on, Munchie, make him talk to me. He must say something to me.
when the program manager came up on the line,
Nobody
he
has the
said,
program manager, just call him.
me not call nobody
Call me
name.
program manager, come in a whining call over here because I can't take him a customer.
All right, when the program manager come up, what him say?
Yes, my program manager calling. Look here. I don't business in a man or woman story. Vice of the nation knows say name no good a road and the people them go call
So
him.
anyway,
All right, when the program manager
now go
come
ahead.
up, when the program manager come up, what man?
He said, he said, where is the money that was collected for Sydney? US dollar. You know how wicked that was? I was the only person coming $250 US. And I didn't send it off at the particular time. So because of that now, they just switched the story and turned it around. But we didn't know say this will come. But that wasn't the objective, you know. The objective is that they
No, but you say you don't collect none and then you collect 250.
Miss, you're fucking idiot.
You lie, man.
You never collect no money and you
Jesus Christ.
I fee him $250.
Jesus, you're idiot.
Wanna tap up the live and send me some art me while
Anyway.
Let me tell you, say, I saw
Wanna
it
don't
when
see me
people, when I
for
pledge.
8 days and me not see nobody
So
has sent me no
Peter,
art.
may I go
People
ahead
will
and
pledge. People will pledge them out. People will pledge them out, give money, and then when they pledge them out, go.
They no get on time, or they no get. So
But he's saying collect 215, collect 215.
No, I'm saying fee him $250
That's
when pledge.
for me $250. They turned around.
Okay. All right. So look here.
Hey, do the boy J. Bram. Me no want you come over here.
Listen to me. Listen to me now. I never thief nobody money. I mean, don't want nobody get up and just make up nice unnecessarily. It was all a trap. I mean, deal with it. I mean, done with it. I mean, respect everybody who contribute to the program.
All right.
I mean, done. But thank you, no. I mean, never take no money for Sydney. I collect no money on behalf of Sydney.
All right, that's
You
good.
fit tappy.
Miss.
You fit tappy. You fit tappy.
All right, Madam Speaker.
You must see the teeth egg or pumpkin when you're young. You fit tappy, man.
Listen. I don't want to mash up Madam Speaker program today. Later.
You look this bigger than you.
Vice. You know what they say? It look like when you're young Somebody got veer for you and then set your feet.
Well, I think I'm here, Andrew, unless you go here and then set Andrew.
I breath your breath. Lift up and go out, boy. You ever hear Andrew, you ever call me up, Mr. Andrew Thief, nothing yet. Appear like a temper, Andrew. Go ahead.
Vice of the Nation knows the film name no good a road. Nuts. Vice of the Nation knows the him is a known thief. I'm a professional thief. And when me see Vice of the Nation for the platform I collect money for Sydney, me got me say Vice of the Nation left this alone. Me tell me what, me don't ask. I'm on top, but Madam Speaker, you can't me say contribute to what? Mr. Mark is the richest man in Jamaica, man, for pay feed.
Me was in that work, Munchie.
He called me up in the box and me say, Vice, left this alone, my brother. Because your name no good at road. The comrade they not like you, then call a dirty labor red, for you. Left this alone. Now I did it for Sydney. Sydney, yes, Vice, yeah. Because Sydney depend on the life too, you know. Sydney depend on the life too, you know. He man Sydney pan it. And he manager. Me say, Vice of the Nation left this alone, you know, lucky. No, Madam Speaker, you help him out. Me say, all right. Me say, I was so shocked when me upon my suspension last week. Somebody called me and tell me, say, Madam Speaker, help up loose over PNP because Vice of the Nation collect $400,000 and not $1 never turn over to Sydney. Me say, Lord Jesus. I want the Vice of the Nation cheating at church. I want thief, so. Vice of the Nation, you can't call for thief.
Munchie, me I go defend him. If then did send money, go give him an thief if it should under show proof. Me I go defend him.
No, I'm not them. I just send that them. What me tell you what happened? Vice of the Nation. You when just when he come up here, he say money was committed.
Right, because people
collect in a commitment and
and he set up himself petal because
collect in a commitment.
When money a collect over here, so Mr. Then do it already. Who would collect money for one time? I think I did Ryan, a guy from Mr. Willis
from Portland.
Mr. Willis, the FinSap man. Over on YouTube in night, you know, may have some of the name right down. Oh, Petal, I'm gonna give this. And then have the big chat them, you know. Not at the money.
So that is Petal, that is why you cannot say money was
collected in a commitment.
When a commitment different from collect. And that is what the PNP them add up all the money.
That's what they do. Commit and say, I'm gonna give $100. So they were
collected the commitment. So that
him say monies. There was money in the form of commitment, and some go into his bank account. That's what he said when he started talking. Commitment means to say, I'm going to, I plan to. And that people do all the time when people are collect. And then some people will misunderstand because them are going to say, Munchie did say she da go give $200 and you can't tell him say Munchie not give $200 because Munchie say she go give. But did Munchie actually give? And that's the problem, you know. So the people them count the money, them count the commitment, and him not necessarily get the commitment money. That's what look like it happened. Because by now, we not defending, but me just know some money. Also, when time things are money I collect, all I work me see it at my time. You will have send off for somebody, and people come and have them big talk. Oh, when I get paid, I'm gonna give you $100, and then the people in my account and I say, okay, so that person you say them that will get 100, and when it come down to the 6 and 5 and you're ready if you buy a gift, you share too much hundreds of dollars. I saw it go sometime, but I just because him have a bad reputation, me not defend him, but I saw as a money go.
Reputation precede him. Reputation precede him. We know say vice a thief.
To the people who send me the art me, thank you very much. To the people who don't send me none yet, please to click on the thing and send me art.
Yes, comrades. Must did miss, Madam.
Yes.
Madam Speaker, there has been a couple of questions asking why the name change.
Me don't know who change it.
Oh, Munchie, you log back in your other account.
Yeah, me don't know how it go, but I go fix it and go back to Madam Speaker because I don't like the name here. Madam Speaker, the name. All right, tomorrow we come with a new name, guys. Next thing, guys.
All right, so if you want to bring up some people that don't want to request now, you can bring up few people. I think Nathaniel want to come up.
Why? You have to big up Nathaniel and
Lexi.
MP Lexi. Look here, them me go over there so figure cuss neighbor one day, and then Bridget tell me, say, calm me down, Knox, and me calm down. But MP Lexi and Nathaniel, them may not take no talk, my love.
But you know what, guys? Me no want we for the pan TikTok as labor right. I don't neighbor seminar labor right as supporter of Andrew Holness and a cuss back and forth. Because me wrong for gang and playing in something in the first place.
More answer a question, Munchie.
Me just take accountability and
answer a question. So if neighbor is not a labor right, what is he? A PNP?
I don't know he's a what, but
an opportunist.
I don't know he's a what, but he say
an opportunist.
But he say him is not. But that my point is.
Khadija, your boss, or
my point is, me not really want me anything on a back and forth because I know that me come about.
You come about the JLP affairs.
Yes. So, but in the meantime, for the people them 8 days on see me for so I can't say uno miss me. And when me put up my thing, me not see una send me no aunt me. I know nothing. And the people whenever call me, what people text me and call me do and ask me, I tell them why I'm never online. Thank you, Diamond. Because TikTok said me get 8 days ban and whatever. I mean, if we wait out the 8 days till today. So that is why. But yeah, guys, back to the story at hand because Vice of the Nation had only a distraction, And we not sorry for what I'm to him because you lie with dog, you rise with flea dogs. And we must take away and get over there because I ain't gonna. Because number one, me never hear the comrade and talk not nice about Vice of the Nation. At least me switch from PNP to JLP and me can find 1-2 little laborer will like me. Not one comrade don't like Vice of the Nation. Not one. And that should tell him not say he's not welcome at the party. Thank you, one love. So I don't have no time for him. He must go where he wanted. Me not saying can't support PNP, but the PNP blogger them do not support him. They do not like him. They do not support him page. And like every labor right we turn on in live, labor right support them page, including neighbor. That is, you cannot say the same thing about PNP blogger them because you have 3 set of blogger over PNP who want to monopolize this space next where them alone want to keep live. And nobody else can keep no live. And if anybody keeping it live, then bad mind them. Me no busy if me turn on my live and other people turn on live because it don't matter to me because me not stop you, me not complain and me not vex. Everybody have their phone and can turn on their live and talk about the policy and about Andrew Holness and about the government if they want. But I know same thing over PNP. And that is what I reach Vice of the Nation now. Because the market's so small, they don't want to ship the goods. Over here, so